Genesis 3:16-24. The fall of man.
Genesis
Orthodox Bible.
3:16. To the woman he said, God, I will greatly multiply your pain and your groaning. In pain you shall bring forth children. Your recourse will be to your husband, and he shall rule over you. Then to Adam he said, because you heeded the voice of your wife and ate from the one tree of which I commanded you, saying, you shall not eat from it. Cursed is the ground in your labors, in toil you shall eat from it all the days of your life. On both thorns and thistles it shall bring forth for you. And you shall eat the herbs of the field, in the sweat of your face you shall eat bread till you return to the ground from which you were taken. Earth you are, and the earth you shall return. So Adam called his wife's name Life, because she was the mother of all living. And also for Adam his wife the Lord God made garments of skin and clothed them. And the Lord God said, behold, the man has become like one of us, to know good and evil. And now lest he put out his hand and take also of the tree of life, and eat and live forever. And therefore the Lord God sent him out of the garden of the pleasure of the cultivates the grounds, and from which he was taken. So he cast out Adam, and he made him dwell opposite of the garden of pleasure. And he then stationed the cherubim in a fiery sword, which turns every way to guard the way to the tree of life. It's a little difficult reading it,
the Orthodox
because
Bible.
I'd like to point out that he does not call his wife Eve in this.
To Orthodox,
he calls her
does not
life.
mention Eve.
Before I replaced it with Eve, not thinking, because that's how my mind works. Well, we know the basics. God bless.